Then you imitate me now.
Oh.
Bracadada.
So I'll make the facial expression and you get the sound.
Yummy such. Falala.
I'll do it again. You put the sound only when I'm saying it second.
Wait. What? No, sorry. Change it to. What did you say now? Now.
Ulala.
Yeah, you call me Hudo. So,
Let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. Hold me. Oh yeah, pronounce it too. 1, 2, ready, go. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. Chimpopo. Ni chimpopo. Kirishimoto.
What did you say?
Kirishimoto. Like, where are you guys getting?
Again? Let's go.
Oh no, dear.
You're not allowing me to it. Why?
You Agamaruago.
It's not a word, it's a sound.
type it. My PA will respond.
Hey.
Type
Aish.
it, my PA will respond.
What do you want by?